cutting edge MLS laser has been a lifesaver for so many of my patients. What we're using this for are varied degrees of arthritis, tendonitis, plantar fasciitis, neuropathy, wounds. The MLS laser, multi-lock wave system laser, has multi-dimensions to it. It cures painful conditions. I use it post-operatively for swelling and to increase range of motion. Patients say it's night and day after they've used the laser. I've used it on many of my own musculoskeletal conditions. It has been an incredible device that we use now for post-operative pain and a variety of other pains that I just mentioned without surgery.